Ducking incarceration of the state pen. Most rats named written in the state pen. Razor lacerates in the faces who can't escape it. A thin line between loyalty and royalty and shedding a whole lot of snakeskin. Head in the top, amen. I fed and died, amen. His head in the top, amen. 730, baby. I fed and died, amen. Most Uncle L wore they straight, then they back out of place. Most leave up north, travel to south, then trap out of state. Feel like speakers in the trunk, how they pack a lot of bass. Served all food on plates to stack a lot of pay. Most fake bit arms like prosthetics. Blue coupe, hot weather, Balenciaga croc leather, coat full of fox feather. She said when the bag bigger, feel like the cock better. You attract a lot of rats when you got cheddar. Clip so big, look like I'm sticking a log in the fifth. Gotta watch the feet in the grass and the guard in the hiss. Sometimes the pressure on the cold make it harder to glitz. Sometimes the answer to the goal is to rob all of the rich. Just don't do on a plate, nigga, if your partner snitch. Whipping 2 soup pots and that soul food in the soup spot. Electric stove on rooftop, collecting dough in shoebox. A set of hoes for you ops, caress a soul, give you cock. You left the throne like rooftop, a stepping stone to new incarceration of the state pen. Most rats named written in the state pen. Razor lacerates in the faces who can't escape it. A thin line between loyalty and royalty and shedding a whole lot of snakeskin. Head in the top, amen. I fed and died, amen. His head in the top, amen. I fed and died, amen.
For beats, email Brandon Blanco Beats.